Okay, now it's on.
Back up when you said, well, you said you wanted to
Right.
someday. No, when I said when I'm thinking 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and I've been there myself. If I
Well, not if you're
know
having
no one is
company,
coming
right.
coming over, and
Yeah.
I once had one weekend where I should go to jail this weekend because I had, never gotten dressed. And I thought that was a really fun weekend. I wouldn't want every weekend to be like that, but
Mom doesn't sort of fight with works with you. That's you and Grandpa.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, Grandpa Wayne taught him that one.
Oh.
They sat beside each other at the table one day, and it's like, oh, don't.
Out your nose. No. They said it.
Lori, did you want another piece of cake?
No, I'm fine, thanks.
It was funny, one day we were sitting around the table and Trace had decided, I think Trace wanted strawberry milk. Was that in the house? But that Everett, I think Everett would really like some strawberry milk.
Who wouldn't?
Yeah.
Down?
Down?
Are you done?
Done? Done? Done? Done?
You get to sleep with a shirt, Katie.
He should eat naked, always.
Only desserts.
I don't know. I think some of that's mashed potatoes too. Though, so. Yep, it always works better when they eat naked and you hose them off afterwards.
That only really works in the summer. Go play with toys. Go find a
So
sword.
everyone works tomorrow except